95. Now it's cloudy and the thunder is echoing through the valleys. Let's see if I can get any of it. Come on, Kobe, go potty before it starts raining. Hurry up. Don't make Daddy get stuck out here in the rain. No nasty. There's the wind. Here comes the gust front. At least there's no bad clouds, no dark clouds that I can see. Hurry up, Kobe. Lightning's like 3/10 of a mile nearest last location. Hurry up, Kobe. I do not want to get struck by lightning. Nothing that way. Hmm. Oh, just gray. Good. Just enough to get it all wet and make the humidity even worse than it was. The dew point is like 78 or some crap. Well, now I come out to start recording and the damn thunder rolling through the valleys quits. I hope that didn't come through. I forgot to turn off notifications. Yeah. Oh, come on. Where's the big loud ones that I just had a few minutes ago? I run in to get the phone and now it stops. Uh-oh. Good girl. You were barking at it inside. Come outside and you won't bark at it. What? Are you camera shy? You won't bark? Where you at? There's my dog. No service vest today. I'm glad it's too hot. Kobe, smile. She's walking away. She don't like the camera, I guess. Kobe, everybody wants to see you. Turn around, goofball. Hey, Kobe Dobie. Look, say hi. I don't know. I can't tell if I'm getting her in camera or not, so I hope so. She just turned 10 last month. Had her since she was 8 weeks old. Hey, my baby girl. Say hi. Oh, you're walking right up to the camera. Cool. Say hi. Sorry. Alright. I guess the the loud rolling thunder decided to quit when I brought the camera out. Well, just my luck. Now, as soon as I turn it off, it'll start again. Oh, my luck. You done, Kobe? Are you go get a treat? I know I'm all over the place with the camera. It is so sticky out here, though. Oh, I forgot to put my cooling towel on. Yuck. Yeah. It's supposed to start raining in about 20 minutes. It rained for a couple seconds already. Oh, the wind changed direction. It was out of the southwest. Now it's coming out of the northwest. Hmm. This feels like somebody opened the oven door though. All right, come on. Oh, my landscaping, my trees that I planted. Now, hopefully, my thumb was green enough for them to they'll survive. And the sun's starting to crack through the clouds. Yeah, just my luck. I guess I'll put the umbrella back up. Alright, enough of this. I guess my luck.